Mental health, it's something that's important to keep in mind, right, for people from all walks of life, because getting supports can be challenging.
And that's why Trinity Health Network 180's Behavioral Health Crisis Center was created to provide resources for people battling mental and substance abuse problems.
New tonight, Fox 17's Walida Lamla shares how the center is helping after nearly a year of service.
The Behavioral Health Crisis Center is a one-stop shop for those facing mental health issues, serving those 18 and older who might be in crisis but don't need to stay longer than 72 hours.
The phrase mental health gets tossed around a lot, but for some, it can be a real struggle, and getting that help can be the biggest issue.
The National Substance Abuse and Mental Health Administration says that people in crisis need three things: a place to go, a place to call, and someone to respond.
That's why back in April of 2024, Trinity Health and Network 180 opened the Behavioral Health Crisis Center.
We provide behavioral health and substance use related services to anybody in crisis. And a crisis is defined by the person. So if that person feels like they aren't functioning well and need assistance, they can come to us.
The center is open 365, 7 days a week for those 18 and older. It helps whether it's brief intervention or providing deeper support with its crisis stabilization unit.
So not everybody needs to be admitted to the CSU, but our CSU is a 16-bed unit where patients can come and stay a maximum of 72 hours. Some people only stay a few hours.
The 16-bed unit for short-term stabilization helps on all levels.
So they work with a variety of professionals from a lot of different disciplines: psychiatric nurse practitioners, master's level behavioral health clinicians, registered nurses, mental health technicians, peer support specialists, recovery coaches.
The help comes from those who have experienced these struggles themselves.
Peer support specialists are folks who have lived experience with mental health challenges, and recovery coaches are folks who have lived experience with substance use.
Which creates a real connection with those struggling.
But it really means a lot to many patients to be able to hear what's been from somebody who has had these challenges in the past and is now in recovery and doing well.
The center has helped over 2,800 people, with 1,200 being admitted to the CSU, whether that's through walk-ins or help from local law enforcement.
Law enforcement is that folks are realizing that jail maybe isn't the place for somebody in mental health crisis, and so they're wanting to bring them to a mental health facility.
And for those helping inside the center, like Catherine Malone, it means the world bringing that support.
I've been in 3 different states doing crisis services, so most of my experience has been in other states, and then coming to Michigan and seeing our strong system that we have here, it's really powerful to me that people have one place to go where they know that they can get support and help any minute of the day, every day of the year.
The center was originally working on a limited basis up until July of last year. They hope to help even more people experiencing mental and substance abuse issues throughout the area. In the studio, Walida Lamla, Fox 17 News.